All right, good morning.
All right, good morning. No Miss Minx today. We don't know where she is.
Probably off hunting somewhere.
Maybe. Okay, well, we'll get started without her. I guess she's going to miss out on breakfast. Guess she's missing out on breakfast.
Where's your daughter, Miss Mindy?
Okay.
Okay.
You guys ready? All right, more for you guys, I guess. All right, so we got
Jinx.
Mr. Jinx, Mr. Binx, and Miss Mindy Mama.
All right.
And no Miss Minx.
Come back and check on you all in a few minutes. Maybe we'll find Miss Minx.
Breakfast lunch.
You decided to come for breakfast late?
Yeah, I think everybody's eating all the wet food now, girly. What? Did you not set your alarm? You didn't set your alarm properly? Your alarm didn't go off? Yeah.
You gonna go eat? Or are you just gonna sit around and look? Get you something to eat. Okay, there you go.
You guys gonna walk the trail with us? Lost down here. And then be crying. You can't figure out where you're at. What are you doing to keep looking back? Okay, we're gonna go walk the trail now, girlie. You explore. I know. Yeah, I told you, you're not going to know where you are. We discussed this, and you said you wanted to go on the trail anyway. Just follow us back. You got to keep up. Yeah, I know. You gotta keep it. You guys gotta keep up. Yeah. Okay, you ready to go all the way to the end? Oh boy, she's gotta go off road here, off the trail. Too many amazing things for them to see out here. You guys are worse than dogs sniffing everything.
You guys are deep on the rail trail. What you guys doing so deep back here?
Very pretty. It's the panther. Okay, come on, bud. You finally caught up. You gonna use the bathroom again?
Come on. What are you crying about?
We're right here.
Come on. Yeah, come on, buddy. You got left behind. You gotta keep up. Stay with the program.
I'm not gonna leave you. Make sure both of you guys are back to your area safe and clean.
Back to your little campground. Yeah, come on, buddy. I see you like the rocks, but come on. No, come on, buddy. Keep up with us. Come on.
Okay, let's go. You ready to start walking again? Okay.
Come on. Oh, you finally made it to the end of the trail. You made it to the end. All right, girlie. Let's turn around and go back.
Whoa. Okay, what you doing up there, girlie? What you doing up there? She's eyeballing some trees. Yeah, I see you, girlfriend. little hills like that. Come on, baby girl.
How are you going to get down from there?
She's like, what? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Howling kitty. That growling. That's cute. Follow the sound of my voice. Yeah, Mr. Gallop. He's galloping. You caught my stick. She's ready for it. Is she getting tired too? Are you tired, baby girl?
Boy, you're breathing heavy. Catch your breath.
You guys walked a long way. Girl, let's go, baby girl.
Keep dragging it. He's loving it.
You still behind me?
She's ahead of you.
She's ahead of me.